Hello and welcome to Midwest Charge. You join me today in Valdosta, Georgia. Welcome to yet another IONNA site. I was not originally planning on visiting, but it was on my route, so I figured, why not? This is the new charging station in Valdosta, Georgia. As I said, there are a couple other charge point operators here. You can see Electrify America way off in the distance there. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. There's a little 4-stall EA with a few vehicles. But over here, we have a nice canopy, good clearance, really good lighting, some landscaping about to occur, and 10 stalls. So I believe this site went live about a week ago. As you can see, they were able to put in this canopy successfully. Every individual stall has, not every individual stall. Every individual post has a set of trash cans and windshield washer. Let's see. Ah, man. Looks like they may not have filled these yet. So, yep. Alright, so we're still waiting on some washer fluid there. But, like that they're offering the amenities. That is a Cheddar's right there. Honestly, I've never been to a Cheddar's, but some kind of restaurant of some sort. There's an Ashley Furniture here. Presumably, you'd be able to use the restroom in the Ashley Furniture. So talk about restroom access. So it looks like we have some different, are these different cables? Amphenol, PCD, they feel a little bit different. Let's see. Well, they don't have a power rating. They're very lightweight though. These are quite nice. I don't think they're using the new Amphenol cables on the stations that are already in the ground in Ohio. So I do quite like those. So we got Station 1, Station 2. Oh, that sign is a little bit wonky. Let's see if we can fix that up. There we go. Alright, CCS 1, CCS 2, 3, NAX 4, and NAX 5. So pretty familiar layout. You have 4 NAX cables over there, 6 CCS cables over here. And man, I just cannot get over how nice this stop looks. Alright, that was a little gross. I think somebody must have put some dirt or maybe dropped the handle or something. But we just paid. It's at 39 cents per kilowatt hour. You can hear the clicking of the IONNA station. Preparing charging session. So let's go ahead and see what kind of speeds we are going to get. Like I said, amazing location, nice trees here, wonderful canopy, fantastic lighting. There's a fire extinguisher if you need it. Alright, 19%, and it goes straight to 222 kilowatts. Let's see if it'll update here, maybe if I go back. Okay, so it went 222, and yep, now it's up to 224. So we are getting maximum speeds. Let's check on the car's charging real quick. We've got nice IONNA EV charging only signs in every space. If we go to active sessions, we started at 19%. We are already up to 33, still pulling about 170 kilowatts. Seems pretty good. So if we walk over here, we have a nice grassy area here for pets. We have a trash can and some bags, so that's very nice. We've got some power electronics here. Here's the emergency disconnect right here. Let's see. Hammond Power Solutions. Distribution transformer. Here is our power distribution cabinets for the Alpitronics. And what appears to be a 2000 kVA transformer. Let's see if we can get some more information here. Yeah, I think it's a 2000 kVA. So, yep, there's the oh, there we go. Yeah, 2000 kVA. So, solid amount of power. We've got roughly 2 megawatts peak for this site here, which seems like an appropriate amount. It's crazy what a well thought out station can do. If you just look at the way that these chargers are configured, and the canopy, and the lighting, and presumably the washer fluid for your windshields, and the trash cans, and you compare that to the four-stall uncovered site of Electrify America, it's just no competition. Like other IONNA stations, these are currently in like a membership type mode. So the pricing is reduced for now. I think it's 39 cents per kilowatt hour is what they are charging, which, you know, it's not quite as cheap as going to a Tesla supercharger with a Tesla, but definitely less expensive than Electrify America, certainly less expensive than the Circle K down the street, and I believe still less expensive than charging a non-Tesla on a supercharger. So I wonder if they're going to transition to using exclusively Amphenol cables, or maybe they're experimenting with it, because they've been using Amphenol PCD NAX adapters, or NAX cables on pretty much all of their stations, but these Amphenol CCS cables seem pretty new. Like I said, I really love the weight of these. It's hard to convey over video, but these feel noticeably lighter than your typical CCS handle, something like a Rima cable or something from Hubertuner. Alright, thank you so much for joining me on this fun little adventure here. Just a quick highway side stop at the brand new IONNA in Valdosta, Georgia.